Coronavirus and lockdown. These are not only problems we are facing in 2020. There is one more hidden problem which we are facing. Probably we are addicted to that problem. And that problem is mobile addiction. 3282. This is average number of time we are touching our mobile screen. 7 to 8 hours. This is average time we are spending with our mobiles. And if you haven't realized that yet, then definitely you are also mobile addicted. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about harmful effects of mobile addiction. And by end of this video, I am going to give you some practical tips to overcome this mobile addiction. So let's dive in. Wait, let me check my WhatsApp notifications. Just kidding. Hi, this is Tejas Bhosle and welcome to my English YouTube channel, The Tejas Motivation. Me and my team always helps you to enhance your lifestyle and pump up daily motivation in your mind. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please click on that red subscribe button, press the bell icon and give us a thumbs up. Do you know that compared to the teens who spend only 1 hour per day on mobile screen and teens who spend more than 5 hours per day on mobile screen are more likely to commit suicide? This is very serious problem. As per the recent survey, 47% parents have admitted that their child is getting addicted to mobile and their child's behavior is drastically changed because of mobile addiction. 67% teachers noticed their student negatively being distracted because of mobile addiction. No doubt that our cell phones are extremely powerful and versatile tools which can be used for our business and our daily life as well. But are we becoming just another idiot holding smartphone? Are we getting dumber with smartness of our smartphone? Are we losing our natural talent and smartness because of overuse of this tool? We need to think about it. Do you know that these smartphone applications are specifically designed to trap us for mobile addiction? And I can prove that. Our brain releases chemical named dopamine whenever we feel rewarded or happy. And have you observed the workflow of these applications? These applications are specifically designed to give us reward points or happy feeling. And that's how we are getting addicted to mobile. And this information must be bulb on for you. So who is at a risk because of this mobile addiction? Mostly teenagers and young people are addicted to mobile. And if we find the suicide rate of these teenagers, people who are using mobile more and more are more likely to commit suicide. And this is proved theory. Talking about harmful effects of this mobile addiction, I can list more than 100. Some of the most dangerous and harmful effects are low self-esteem, low impulse control, depression, anxiety, being highly extroverted or being highly introverted. These harmful effects are mostly observed in young people. I made one checklist of symptoms which can be helpful for you to check whether you are addicted to phone or not. First one, you reach your phone the moment you feel alone or bored. Second one, you wake up multiple times at night to check your phone notification. Third one, you feel anxious, upset or short-tempered whenever you cannot get your phone or cannot find your phone. Fourth, your phone use has caused you to get an accident or injury. And last one is, whenever you try to control use of your phone, you always fail. If these are the symptoms you are facing, then unfortunately, you are also addicted to mobile phone. Do not worry, my friends. Today, I am going to give you some simple practical tips which are going to help you to overcome this mobile addiction. First one is remove unnecessary and time-consuming application. One research clearly shows that our mobile contains 30% more time-consuming and unnecessary applications. So please delete these applications so that your time spent on mobile phone will be reduced. Second one is change settings of notification and block all the unnecessary notifications on your mobile phone. One research clearly tells us that our mobile phone consistently distracts or disturbs us because of these unnecessary and annoying notifications. Third one is develop some hobbies. Why are you spending and wasting more and more time on mobile when you can have some productive hobbies? So have some hobbies so that you will be engaged with those hobbies and your mobile phone will keep itself aside. And last one is have one mobile free day every week. At first it will be very difficult for you, but with the practice it will be possible. So this is all about how to overcome your mobile phone addiction. Please let us know about your thoughts in comments below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with maximum people. Thank you very much.